Party Cieza, 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 Silico, sexy. Oh, she, ay, she, ish. So let me actually tell you all a crazy stat. Okay, before a crazy stat, let's just welcome Opatman. He's a coordination, and also let's just welcome the one and only God's Will, Ikotaro. They are cosified still. So yeah, that means good like we're actually having like 7 strikers about department available. But today I'm not about that. I'm about a video. And let me tell you all another interesting fact that I was about to tell you from the start. The last time Kaizer Chiefs won their first 3 opening matches, it was when we won like the league. Which is it is actually telling me something. The last time